Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies for you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to. This is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And of course, general reading, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message or magpa-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, meron tayong website. Go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Ayan. So, let's see. Libra. Next 7 days, what is the energy? Next 7 days para sa mga Libra. Intuition. So, mapapansin nyo, mas malakas yung inyong pakiramdam sa mga bagay-bagay na parang naiisip nyo pa lang, yun yung mangyayari. Oo. So, some of you naman, maaring you will get into spirituality. Pwedeng may spiritual awakening. You are learning more about yourself, your higher self. Kumbaga parang naghahanap ka rin ng sagot sa mga tanong mo, especially when it comes to your belief system. Pwedeng may nagbabago sa belief system mo. Some of you naman, mas nagiging creative, no? So you are tapping into your creative side. You also have first quarter, which is about focus. So kumbaga, kung nung mga nakaraan medyo distracted kayo sa maraming bagay, in the next 7 days, you will focus on the things that matter, yung mga importante. Oo, kasi pwede kayo na-distract na kumbaga sa sa release ng tren sa tren na-discarrel, ganon. So, ngayon, you are shifting, no, your focus doon sa mga importanteng bagay sa buhay mo. Diba? Which is about your future. The North Node is your future. This is fulfilling your goals, your dreams. So ngayon, mas alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo. Unlike before na hindi ka makapag-decide. Hindi mo alam kung saan papunta. So ngayon, you finally realize what you really want. And that's a good news. Kasi ibig sabihin, mas may direction ka ngayon. Okay, what is your overall energy? Ace of Cups, which is about creation. So some of you are starting a new life, starting fresh, starting a new relationship. This can be starting a new career na kung saan nandun talaga yung yung interest mo. Now your challenge is the new moon, which is a new beginning. This makes sense kasi ngayon nandun ka sa nag-iisip ka na, is this practical? Ito bang sinisimulan ko na to, merong magandang epekto sa akin? Like, ano ba yung magiging resulta nito? So, parang nandun ka sa moment na you are convincing yourself na, okay, it's time to start. It's time for a new beginning. Diba? Now, your opportunity, the Emperor, leadership. So, some of you, merong opportunity to become a leader in your own life, in your career, in your business. This is also about power and strength. Like what I mentioned kanina, since alam nyo na kung ano yung gusto nyo sa buhay, mas nakakapagplano kayo. 'Di ba? For example, magpapatayo ka ng bahay. Kung alam mo na kung ano yung design ng bahay na gusto mo, madali na siyang ipagawa sa architect kasi alam mo na no, na ito yung gusto ko, may 4 na kwarto, may malaking kitchen, 2 palapag, 'di ba? Ganon. So mas magiging madali ang creation ng isang bagay if you know what you really want. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring may opportunity na ma-promote sa work or mas ma-recognize kayo sa inyong career. Now, your blessing. The blessing is temperance. This is about enlightenment. So, some of you, ang isa sa blessing ninyo is yung awareness, the awakening itself. Dahil, since mas klaro na sa'yo yung direksyon na gusto mong tahakin, mas nakakapag-isip ka, mas nakakapagplano ka, mas nakakapag-take action ka. And if there is something na in the past na parang feeling stuck ka, Ngayon, your blessing is aarangkada ka na. Ito na yung break na hinihintay mo. Ito na yung, kumbaga, ito na yung attention na hinihintay mo. Ito na yung chance na hinihintay mo. Now, your focus is the Three of Pentacles. This is about teamwork. So, some of you, ang isa sa focus nyo is about collaboration, working with others, expansion. So, talagang you are really taking action and focusing on building something. So, maaring may binibuild ka na career, binibuild ka na business, and meron ka mga taong nakakasama dito na tumutulong sa'yo. And you are finding the right people na tutulong sa'yo. Okay? So, let's see what else for Libra in the next 7 days. Okay. Crystal. Okay. Crystal is about healing. So, you are purifying yourself. Ina-align mo yung sarili mo. So, I see you na mas nagiging aware sa surroundings mo. Maaring you are cleansing. You are removing the negative energies around you, yung mga toxic situation. Umaalis ka na sa isang sitwasyon, alam mong hindi naman na nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo or paglago mo. And then you have sea urchin. This is protection. Okay? So ngayon, I see you na parang nagsiset ka ng boundaries. No? So maaring may mga tao na alam mo na merong hindi magandang intentions towards you, na nagtitake advantage sa'yo. So you are finally setting that boundary na, okay, hanggang dito lang yung kaya ko. Kasi that is your way na protectionan yung energies mo. You are also keeping yourself safe and dispelling the negativity. Oh, B, you're going to be very busy. Ayan, so mas magiging focus ka, mas may meron kang intention, kasi ang importante, you have the intention to make things happen ano ba yung gusto mong ma-achieve, no? So ngayon, nakikita mo na yung sarili mo going towards success. And ang B, di ba yung mga bubuyog, masipag sila. Parang ito yung symbol ng someone who is really working towards their goals and their dreams. So for some of you, ayan, alam nyo kung ano yung work na kailangan nyong gawin para ma-achieve nyo yung mga pangarap nyo. Ayan, so meron kang i-release. Sometimes the best way to grow is to simply let go. That is true. Anything that is no longer serving you, let go of that. Kasi it's time for you to grow. Kaya meron kang i-release. And then, also, you're going to take a risk. Take a chance. Every risk is a success when you're committed to learning and growth. O, diba? So, Libra, talagang focus kayo sa growth ninyo and learning, no? Trying new things. As long as committed ka, no, determinado ka, then definitely success is success is at your hand. Sasabihin ko, is in your hand. Okay? So, ayan. That is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.